In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Weebly to build and customize your own website or online store. Weebly is a user-friendly platform that allows anyone to create a professional-looking site with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned website builder, you'll find Weebly's tools intuitive and efficient. Now let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Weebly's website. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting platform to build your free website or online store. Moving on, look for the option to log in, and if you're using Google services, you can streamline this process by clicking on Login with Google. This feature is incredibly handy if your Google account is already connected to other digital services you use. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Weebly dashboard page where you manage your websites. Here, find the site you'd like to work on and click Edit Site. This action opens the Weebly editor, which is where all the customization magic happens. Now, as you're exploring the editor, you might notice a pop-out or pop-up window. Simply close it by clicking the X in the corner if it's obstructing your view. Keeping your workspace clear is important for staying focused. With the editor open, you're ready to add some personal touches to your site. Click and drag categories, which are to be found under individual elements on the Weebly editor. Dragging categories into your page helps organize content, making it easier for visitors to your site to navigate. Once you've positioned the categories to your liking, click on Add Categories. This step will lead you to a section where you can enter a category title, an essential part of personalizing and structuring your site effectively. You also have the option to enhance your categories by inserting images or listing items within them. Visuals can significantly improve user engagement and make your site aesthetically pleasing. Finally, remember to save your work by pressing the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. This crucial step ensures all the changes you've meticulously made are stored, securing your progress. As you conclude your session on Weebly today, you'll have taken substantial steps in developing a functional and visually appealing website. Whether your aim is a personal blog, a business site, or an online store, these steps form a strong foundation. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy website building!